Hi everyone, hope you're well. This video is giving some guidance for the week ahead. So we've just had today on the 15th of December, the full moon in Gemini, and it's also the end of Mercury retrograde. We do still have 2 weeks of shadow, but the end of the retrograde is significant. So with the full moon in Gemini at the moment, this week, it's all about talking and communication. And with the retrograde, the things to reflect on are: what have you reflected on during this past 3 weeks or realized? What new information or insights have you gained? And with the shadow going on till the 3rd of January, now is the time when you can start acting on these new insights. There'll still be some retrograde sort of little setbacks and niggles, but the path forward now is being illuminated. There's a lot more clarity. So, with all this Gemini energy, this week is about saying what needs to be said and being able to find the right words. So restrictions you've had with communication or delays with communication over the past few weeks will start to disappear. And now the communication is just going to sort of pour out and things will be explained finally that haven't been clear over the past few weeks. So it could really be a very interesting and exciting week. That's what I'm picking up on. The crystals I've picked at the top of the cards here. So ones to work with this week are smoky quartz. So that's for the solstice, which is on the 21st of December. Druids would use smoky quartz in seasonal ceremonies such as solstice. We've got moonstone for the full moon, and the pink one is rose quartz. So that's for sincere and joyful heart-based communication. Communicate from your heart and the right words will come. Okay, so to the cards I've pulled for the week, I thought it would just be one, but all three came out and they are all part of a story. So first we've got Four of Pentacles, and that's saying you've had to be so practical and work focused lately. So this Gemini full moon's reminding you to find your spark, that Gemini sparkle, and have fun. And it's saying nothing bad will happen if you do this. So where you have been worried, try not to worry so much. You definitely have had a lot of worries, this is saying, and I'm just hearing that things will be okay. Maybe you can't see exactly how at the moment, but the haze will clear and things will be okay. As more is revealed over the coming days and weeks, you'll feel a sense of relief. Up till now, you haven't known the full story, and that has contributed to your worry. So just, information will come out, and that's going to help. I'm also hearing too about light. So remember your light and shine your light, which you haven't really done so much lately. And remember that you may not realize it, but others are really guided and comforted and healed when you do shine your light and show the way and bring warmth, even if you don't realize the effect you're having on them. Then I pulled out two Wands cards that came together. We've got the Six of Wands in the middle. So that is the card of victory, and it's just pointing to a positive outcome. And then we have the Three of Wands. So that's all about making new plans. So he's looking out, thinking into the future. This is like looking into the new year and thinking about what you want. So rather than this first card of really holding on and looking down, it's about looking up and out again after a time of not doing that, rather than holding on and starting to feel positive and excited about what's to come in the new year. And just a word on this, there's a little bit of walking away energy. On the bottom of the deck, we had the Five of Swords, and that's walking away from a situation where it's manipulative and sneaky and deceitful and just, walking away from that is a good thing. That won't be relevant for everybody, but for some people it definitely is. Okay, so I hope you have a lovely week. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk again soon.